Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel Watching You. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character funbot from Incredibox Sprunki. Meet funbot, a captivating robot with a striking resemblance to the Sprunki characters. Its sleek, silver body is a notable feature, complemented by a segmented neck adorned with gleaming golden plates. The addition of golden antennae, similar to those sported by Simon, gives funbot a unique and endearing personality. Furthermore, its visor bears a striking resemblance to the one worn by Garnold, adding another layer of intrigue to this fascinating character. As the fourth character and fourth beat in the popular Incredibox mod, Sprunki, funbot plays a vital role in the game's rhythmic experience. If you're interested in learning more about Garnold, including a step-by-step guide on how to draw this character, I've included a helpful link in the description below. For now, let's delve deeper into the world of funbot and explore its captivating features. As I explore the fascinating world of Sprunki characters, I'm excited to share with you the intriguing details about funbot. This captivating robot, created by the ingenious duo of Garnold and Clucker, is a unique addition to the Sprunki family. One of the most striking aspects of funbot is its synchronized movements. In its normal version, funbot's mouth moves in perfect sync with the loop sound, while its head nods to the beat and its eyes glance left and right. This mesmerizing display is a testament to the character's programming and design. Interestingly, funbot's design incorporates elements from both its creators, including their shared color schemes. The visor design, reminiscent of Garnold's, and the antennae, similar to Simon's, are notable features that showcase the character's heritage. What's more, funbot's immortal status makes it impervious to harm from characters like Black, Simon, and Wenda. Its durable metal construction renders jaws and claws ineffective against it. However, the methods Black might use to destroy funbot remain a mystery, leaving us to wonder about the possibilities. Another fascinating aspect of funbot is its behavior when equipped with a gun. Unlike other characters, funbot refuses to use firearms, adding to its enigmatic personality. As I delve deeper into funbot's characteristics, I noticed that it shares antennae similarities with Simon and has a visor design akin to Garnold's. However, upon closer inspection, I realized that Garnold's visor is slightly smaller. Funbot is also one of the 11 characters with accessories, including antennae and a visor. Other characters with notable accessories include Oren's headphones, Clucker's symbol, and Veneria's wig. It's worth noting that funbot is a robot, making it a non-spunky character without a specific gender. Its icon, featuring its antennae and visor, is also distinct from the typical head icons used for other characters. Overall, funbot is a captivating character that adds depth and intrigue to the Sprunki universe. Its unique design, synchronized movements, and immortal status make it a fascinating subject to explore. I found it easy to draw funbot, as the drawing is simple and the colors are visually appealing. I particularly liked the combination of yellow and aqua blue, which gives funbot a unique and eye-catching appearance. Funbot's design bears similarities to Garnold and Mr. Fun Computer, as all three characters feature rectangular shapes. Additionally, funbot's antennae are reminiscent of Oren's and Simon's antenna. To bring funbot to life, I used a range of colors. For the antennae and head, I chose pastel yellow and canaria yellow, which added a warm and vibrant touch. The body was colored with cool gray, while the mouthpiece and visor were drawn with black. Finally, I used a turquoise blue pencil to add a pop of color to funbot's eyes and smile. Let me know in the comments below which Sprunki you found easy to draw and which one is your favorite. In my opinion, normal mode Sprunkis are generally easier to draw compared to their horror mode counterparts. What's exciting is that there are now newer, fan-made phases of Sprunkis, which keeps the series fresh and evolving. I love how each character looks unique and cool in their own way. As an artist, I find it challenging yet inspiring to attempt to draw these new phases of Sprunkis. It's a great learning process that helps me grow as an artist, and I'm sure it's the same for you. If you are watching my videos till now, then thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.